Hey everyone, how's it going? Do you know what? I just want to apologize for my voice today. I went to the Beyonce concert last night, cried a lot, screamed a lot, sang a lot. Really, it's Beyonce, my homegirl. Well, I'm not naked, I promise. Whoops! My video will be about, why people think I'm black. Clearly I'm not. I'm not black. So y'all need to stop calling me black. And talking black, it just comes natural to me. It really actually does. Get over it, mate. Just because I have a different way of talking every now and then, you know what? People like it. So, shh. I ain't got time for your negativity. If you don't like the way I talk, don't talk to me then. Goddamn. It's just in my vocabulary. I chuck a girl every now and then, or a damn, or a what a nasty, but they're just words, mate. They're just words. Why I gotta be making me feel like I'm being what I'm not? Seriously, what's wrong with you? I just think cultures is a beautiful thing, you know? There are so many, I just love them all. So, hate all you want. I guess I'm just a super cultured human being. I must be. That's why my ass is so big. It's just full of cultures. I love Moroccan mosaics, Persian rugs, international music, Latin music, world music, Turkish ceramics, food, black, everything. To be honest, ethnic boys, the clean, non-traditional kind. Just saying. So, I just love cultures. What can I say? Seriously? So, people think I'm black because I'm not. Clearly. I told you I'm a mix-up of a lot of different things because I just love the different things. I just love cultures. Is it a crime? Tell me. Oh, goddamn, I can't be myself. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Please tell me. That's why people think I'm black, because I'm not. I'm just a mix, an infusion. Infusion. Oh, I like that word. Of many things, because I just love them all. Maybe not all, but most. So don't be hating, all right? Just because you ain't like me. Have a really great night wherever you live on this beautiful globe of world of I look so naked in this video. I'm so sorry. And again, Beyonce's concert last night. Oh God, I'm not gonna lie, waterfall for about 95% of the concert, and ass shaking on top of that 90. That doesn't make sense, but you know what I mean. Bit of both worlds. See, even with emotion, I'm just both of them because I just can't be one. I just gotta love everything. It's just, I told you, there's just too much choice in life. I can't decide. But anyway, I gotta go. My voice is going and I need to keep talking tonight. So, have a great night. And I'll speak to you guys soon.